Hi guys, so this is Tanya and this is my introduction. Yes, I've already made a lot of videos. I know I've posted them on Instagram, but honestly, this is like the start. Like, ignore all of the rest. Now, what am I doing here? Why am I here? What would you get by looking at my videos, right? Before we enter all of that, let's first figure out who I am. Okay? This video is just for that. It's honestly just for that. First of all, I am a 20 year old girl. Do not ask a girl's age. Uh, Whatever, doesn't matter. I am a 21-year-old girl. I have figured out a lot of things, a lot of personal things, a lot of professional things, a lot of things among friends. Anyone in college right now, you guys in second and third years, you would know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I figured out a lot of things, and in all of that, I am not gonna call myself a expert. What I am going to say is I figured out things that don't work for me. Like, I am someone who is highly, highly influenced by social media. Why literally? Dude, I am wearing a corseted kurta because I saw it trending like a while ago. And I don't even know if this is my color. You get what I mean, right? And I know a lot of us, not just girls per se, even guys. I know a lot of us get influenced and we don't know what's working. We don't know whether we want it, we don't know whether we really want to figure things out in that specific way. And this year, like since the start up until now, it's been 6 months. And dude, it could have been 6 years and I wouldn't have learned so much, figured out so much. And I am actually trying to create this series where I am going to figure out different things at different points. And I'm going to document it, going to make videos on what works, what doesn't work, what has shown me the results, and what is relatable to a lot of people. Because up right now, whatever I'm going to be doing, I am already working about it with my closest friends. Like, it could be my LinkedIn, or it could be the places I'm interning at, like an internship project types, or even the fact that how I study, like what I'm doing. I am not a topper. No. Uh, you guys, if found my records, I'm gonna. Eh, let's not go there. But let's be honest, I am not like a 90 or 99 on 100 type of a topper. No. But I do score in 90s, like A plus grades. I am there. I agree to that. And there's a reason for it. My mom was like literally, there is no way I could survive the current education system if my parents weren't the typical Indian parents. But I also got the freedom, so here I am. And anyway, in this 6 months, I learned a lot of things. So I am gonna apply a lot of things and I'm gonna create side quests. A lot of you guys, like not a lot obviously, but a few of you guys would already know that I have this gaming account called PC Axie. So that could be one of my alter egos, like a side quest. So similarly, I am planning to like create multiple side quests. Now, my LinkedIn, my project work, that would be my professional work, right? Now, along with that, I'm gonna actually have PC Axie as my gaming altar. Now, why am I saying gaming? Is mainly because if I start creating gym content now, I'm gonna be like so sad because I would have no content. I would be consistent for one day, and then 3 days later, I am still not in the gym. So I would rather make a content on something I know I'll be doing a lot often than making content on something I'm not that good at. And yes, this is one of the things I'm gonna work on, obviously. So in these YouTube videos, I'm not planning to actually like make a lot of edits. That is not the point of these videos. These are just like a cute sit down vlogs where you come talk to me. You can like put it on the comments. I would be adding in my Discord link, which I made for PC Axie here as a community link, and you guys can join in. It does not have to be that you are a gamer. Please go look at my videos. You would know I am not a gamer. And you'd be like, oh, if she can play games and still call herself a gamer, I'm one too. Similar, okay? So do join in and we can just sit there, hang out. Along with that, I am planning to make a short series where I would be showing weekly based a new skill. Or it could start off with either financial planning or scheduling. I haven't decided. That's going to be this week's idea. But something like that. So every week, I will either going to update you guys or I'm going to learn a new skill and tell you guys something about it. Similarly, I'm going to do with science. Now, I am currently working on multiple projects like personal interest projects. Now, I was the same NEET aspirant, study for NEET, figure it out after 12th, wrote NEET, got a medical seat, went there, came out. So, I know. I'm not saying that people are doing MBBS, don't do it. No. Please do it. If you guys are not doing it, then we wouldn't have any doctors at all. But I'm also not saying that doctors are everyone. Currently, I have learned so much about the background of being a doctor. Like, the doctor is just the face of it. But before that, the amount of work, the research, all of that, there are a lot of other people who do it. And I'm currently in that part of the field. Even that, I did not figure out. There also, ante, we can't do anything. Now, there is a few suggestions I would want from you guys. Where I am comfortable with English, as you guys can see, but I also speak other languages like Kannada, Hindi, Telugu. I think you guys would know that I'm rather very comfortable with Telugu. Have a lot of Telugu friends too. Can't do much. But Hyderabad, love, bro. Hyderabad, Bangalore, my love places. Other than that, okay. Sorry. So like this, I do speak other languages. I know Kannada. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So if you guys actually have any specific video collection you want in a specific language, I could try that. Or I could make a place where we guys talk in different languages. So please be comfortable. Along with that, if there is something, I would probably just make one more video about it. Okay. Now, along this way, yes, I would really love if you guys could subscribe. Comment, subscribe, follow, all of that stuff. Different pages, different things. Please do all of that. Now, why am I saying this? Is because while I am making this video just as a diary, it also is a space where I have to connect with people, right? Now, if I don't know who I'm connecting with, I would have no idea what content I'm making. Now, this content is not going to be helpful for everyone. Agreeable. A lot of people know a lot. And you guys might have a different type of people you want to look at. What I'm trying to tell is, people who do know what they want or what I am making, if you guys like it, go for it. Because here, I would rather want to be connected with you guys than just random people. And yes, I'm going to give you guys such juicy gossip that you guys are going to think, oh my god, my college life wouldn't be anything. I'm telling you this. Maybe it's not that great. You guys could share your juicy stories and I'll share it here. But literally, bro, I don't get it. How? What was in these people's head? What's wrong with them? The most stupid, the most stupid thing could be a reason entire group goes off. Whatever, all of this on another day when I am in a mood to sit and yap. But again, I am going to be here. I'll be right here. If you guys have any idea on how many times I should be posting, please tell me. Other than this, I think we're done for today. Bye bye. See you later. And